Hello there. Today we're going to thoroughly see and demonstrate exactly how to add another Wells Fargo bank account completely and entirely online. Well, the very first and initial step we're going to meticulously take is to simply type Wells Fargo right here into the Google search bar. Once you've typed it in, we're going to click on this link right here. Once we're here, what we're going to do to open another Wells Fargo account is, for example, if you already have a checking account, you can open a savings account by clicking here. To see all the types of savings accounts, we're going to click here. All right, now we wait here. We click, and here we can see that we can open a way to save account type, okay, which is basically a savings account. So to open it, we're going to click here on Open Now. We wait for the page to load. Right away, here we can set up all the account details. We click here, and it asks us for all the information we need to start creating this type of account. And as you can see, it's pretty simple. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.